So today, we will learn about the callback with multiple arguments. For example, in the first callback function, it accepts one argument. In the second callback function, it accepts two arguments. Now, let's get started. This time, open the folder callback with multiple arguments. You will see three files over there: index.html, script.js, and style.css. In index.html, you will see three divs, one with class colors and another one with the class red and green. If you open style.css, you will see all the styles needed for this app. If you look at the preview, you will see two boxes with label red and green. By using callback, we will change the text color of the first box with red and the second box with green color. So open script.js. First, let's select two divs with the class red and green. So add a variable red and use document.querySelector select.red. Then add another variable green and use document.querySelector select.green. To change the text color into red, let's create a function makeRed. Add element as a parameter. Inside the function, add element.style.color equals red. Then let's create another function makeGreen. Add element as a parameter. Inside the function, add element.style.color equals green. Now let's create a callback function. I will name it changeColor. This time I will add two parameters, element and callback. Inside the function, let's call the callback function and pass element. Now, to change the text color of the red div, let's call this function changeColor, pass red and makeRed as an argument. So here, red is the element name and makeRed is the function name. This is why it applied a red color to the red div. Check the preview and it works. Likewise, let's apply green color to the green div. So call this function again and pass green and makeGreen as an argument. Check the preview and it works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about the callback on text input. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.